Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel, Iconic Mentor. I've received many queries about DevExpress, so in today's video, we are going to install the latest version of DevExpress version 24.1 in Visual Studio 2022. Let's get started. First, turn off virus threat protection and also disable the firewall on your system. Next, extract the DevExpress file. The password for the file is in the description below. Open the extracted folder and run the DevExpress setup file as an administrator. Choose Trial Installation, then click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Continue. Wait for the installation to complete, and once it's done, click Finish. Now, open the Patcher folder and launch the DevExpress Patcher tool. Select your DevExpress version and the Visual Studio version installed on your system. Click Patch and wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, all files will be successfully patched. Finally, open Visual Studio and you'll see DevExpress projects available in the templates. You can filter the templates from here. Let's open a Windows app to get started with your project. That's it. You've successfully installed DevExpress version 24.1 in Visual Studio 2022. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome guides. See you in the next video.